NFTs surging 10.93% while Bitcoin crashes below 102K? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what's happening right now as U.S. strikes on Iranian nuclear facilities send markets spiraling, except for one surprising sector. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and in the next 6 minutes, I'll break down this unprecedented market divergence that could change your entire investment strategy. Welcome to Crypto Pulse, your twice-daily flash update on everything that matters in crypto. If you're just waking up to this market chaos, you're witnessing something truly remarkable, a complete bifurcation of the crypto landscape where narrative strength is defying even the most severe geopolitical headwinds. Let's dive right in. First, the broader context. Overnight, U.S. forces conducted strikes on 3 Iranian nuclear facilities, including Fordo and Natanz. This triggered an immediate risk-off response across global markets, with Bitcoin plummeting below 102K, currently trading at $133, down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. AI tokens have been hit especially hard, crashing 15.07% across the board. But here's where things get fascinating. Amid this chaos, we're seeing remarkable strength in 2 specific sectors. NFTs have surged an incredible 10.93% in the last 24 hours, completely defying the broader market trend. The catalyst? A collectible phenomenon called Labubu. These blind boxes from Pop Mart have created unprecedented demand, with rare mint-colored editions recently selling for over $150,000. Twitter mentions of Labubu have exploded by 150% as influencers call it the single most bullish catalyst for NFTs since 2021. What we're seeing is the power of narrative to overcome even severe macro headwinds. Meanwhile, social fi platforms have captured 11.5% market mindshare following Xeet.ai's launch. This new platform is built on the abstract ecosystem with a unique focus on signal-to-noise ratio, essentially trying to cut through the crypto noise with quality content over engagement farming. The sector's resilience during this market turbulence suggests strong fundamental interest despite price volatility. In a move that flew under the radar due to the market chaos, NASDAQ-listed medical technology company Semler Scientific has appointed a Bitcoin strategy director with ambitious plans to acquire 105,000 BTC by 2027. They're targeting 10,000 BTC by the end of 2025, financing through equity, debt, and operational cash flow. This continues the trend of corporate treasury adoption that's likely to accelerate regardless of short-term price action. Looking at the technical picture, Bitcoin is testing critical support at $100,000. Exchange inflows are accelerating as panic selling begins, with funding rates turning negative at 0.023, indicating a bearish sentiment shift. However, we're seeing a skilled hyper-liquid whale maintaining a $103 million BTC short position with $574 million in unrealized profit. This suggests smart money was positioned for this move before it happened. So what does all this mean for your strategy? First, we're witnessing how strong narratives like Labubu and Xeet.ai can create sector-specific opportunities, even during market-wide sell-offs. Second, the divergence between NFT social fi growth and broader market decline reveals how macro factors are affecting crypto sectors differently. Third, corporate treasury adoption continues despite short-term volatility, with Semler Scientific's Bitcoin strategy highlighting long-term institutional commitment. Watch for sector rotation as markets digest the geopolitical situation. Consider exposure to NFT marketplace tokens and social fi platforms, showing strong on-chain metrics despite price declines. And most importantly, stay tuned to Crypto Pulse for our next update in 12 hours as we track these developing stories. This has been Alex with Moonward Capital's Crypto Pulse. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to subscribe for our twice-daily updates that keep you ahead of the crowd. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on this market divergence. Are NFTs the new safe haven during geopolitical crises? I'll see you in 12 hours with our next update.